Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the details, please note that the link to purchase the Whirlpool HOODPT3 genuine OEM power cord for range hoods and the W10278923RP genuine OEM power supply kit for dishwashers at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. These genuine OEM accessories are designed to perfectly fit your Whirlpool appliances, ensuring optimal performance and reliability. Starting with the Whirlpool HOODPT3 power cord, this 4-foot black accessory is crafted specifically for range hoods that allow an optional power supply cord kit as an alternative to a direct wire installation. It replaces models like 887961, HOODPT2R, and W10831110, making it an ideal replacement for compatible Whirlpool range hoods. The 3-prong 120V design meets all tested engineering standards for safety and durability, providing peace of mind when powering your kitchen ventilation. On the other hand, the W10278923RP power supply kit is tailored for dishwashers and comes with a 6-foot black power cord designed to replace parts such as 3370315RP and 1550317. This kit includes a 90-degree power cord, metal strain relief, wire nuts, and clear installation instructions, making the replacement process straightforward even for DIY enthusiasts. Rated at 125V, it ensures a secure and reliable connection to keep your dishwasher running smoothly. One of the main advantages of choosing these genuine OEM parts is the assurance of compatibility and quality. Unlike generic or aftermarket alternatives, these cords are engineered to meet Whirlpool's exact specifications, reducing the risk of malfunction or damage to your appliance. Additionally, the included installation hardware and instructions simplify the setup process. However, there are a couple of considerations to keep in mind. First, these cords are designed specifically for Whirlpool models, so they may not be suitable for other brands or non-compatible models. Also, while installation is generally straightforward, those unfamiliar with electrical work should consider professional help to ensure safety. In summary, if you need a reliable, high-quality power cord for your Whirlpool range hood or dishwasher, the HOODPT3 and W10278923RP kits are excellent choices. They combine genuine OEM assurance with practical features to keep your appliances powered efficiently. Don't forget, the link to purchase these products at a discounted rate is pinned in the first comment below. Check it out to secure your replacement parts today.